Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 193 Billesley Lane. It's a 2-bedroom mid-terrace property which has the benefit of an extremely long garden to the rear. Okay, then moving into the property, we are straight into the reception room here where we've got stairs leading up to the first floor. An inset decorative open fireplace, and then the opening through to the dining kitchen. And as you can see, we've got the stable door which then leads through to outside. And there's also the opening into the utility area where there's plumbing for the washing machine and space for a tall fridge freezer. And then up onto the first floor, we've got the landing area here with fitted storage cupboards, and into bedroom 1. We have a window to the front aspect. And through to the second bedroom. Again, we've got a window to the rear aspect from here. And into the bathroom with a roll top bath. High level WC. And a wash basin here as well. And then moving into the rear garden, and we have a step down to this patio area here. And then we've got this brick built outhouse, as you can see, makes a great bar area. And then the garden continues for quite some distance. We can see its later lawn area here, space for the table and chairs, and then it actually continues all the way down to towards the fence boundary that we can see there at the end. So there are no fenced boundaries here between the gardens, but there is a clear line, clear path running down. And then this pond area is for a neighbouring property. And that concludes the viewing for this house. So if you would like any further information, then please do contact the office, and we look forward to speaking to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.